they saying I'm back. I agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that.
Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? How you doing? We have another week and you know what that means. We have another unboxing video. We have another luxury goods. As you guys can see, we are gonna unbox the DIOR Saddle Slim Pouch. Who's excited? I am. Alrighty, so the reason why I purchased this bag, honestly, I really just want a bag that would carry my absolute bare essentials. And I feel like this is the one. Because if you guys know me, I would just always have my phone and my wallet. But most of the time, I really don't want to just carry it in my hand. I just thought it would be nice to have a small pouch for it. Might as well be stylish when I do it, right? Anyways, with that being said, it's just a disclaimer. If you guys are looking for a big compartment bag, this might not be the one for you. And you will see why. Let me just show you. But before that though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Come subscribe, it's free 99. You guys know how dedicated I am on this because I've really been wanting to open this box right here. It's just I haven't had a chance to make a video, so it's been sitting here for a while. I'm just so excited to finally open it. Alright, I just took out the DIOR Star. We love this, yes. Of course, we do have the DIOR tissue paper. Alright, we're one step closer, but before that, we do have the receipt right here. And this one, I believe it has a retail price of $1,600. Yep, I'm correct, $1,600. If you guys have watched my last DIOR unboxing, I thought they were pretty inconsistent with like the packaging. Like this time we do have the receipt envelope, and then the last time they didn't have the ribbon, and this time we do have the ribbon. Yay! I'm so excited because these ribbons are actually so nice, and I can use them on my hair. Like I can put a ribbon on here. I really think I can reuse them, so I do want them. You know, we like them, we want them, we use them. Let's go open it. I cannot wait. Ooh. Let me just put it in here because you guys know I don't like ripping the papers. Okay, here she is. We have a dust bag moment. Oh my god, she's beautiful.
Let me clean this up and let's get right to it.
Look at her. As you guys can see, we got the navy blue color, and they actually have another colorway, and they have the gray, which I'm gonna post it right here. It's also beautiful, but I feel like in my opinion, this colorway right here fits my wardrobe perfectly. And I feel like the gray would get dirty way easily since it is fabric and embroidery all around it. So yeah, I feel like this is the colorway that fits me the most. And like I mentioned before, for the price, this one has a retail price of $1,600. But this particular bag right here have already increased the price multiple times. So I feel like investment wise, this will just keep increasing, and yeah, you can resell it when you're done. I just love it so much. Anyway, so let's move on. Let's take a closer look at this bag. The Saddle Slim Pouch retains the emblematic coats of the Saddle line with its asymmetrical flap and antique gold finish metal D stirrup. The accessory is crafted with the blue DIOR oblique embroidery. It may be worn crossbag or at the waist with its removable strap, and may be replaced by an embroidered house strap for a more personal look. This bag features a front D stirrup, Christian Dior's signature on the front, one interior compartment, and removable and adjustable shoulder strap. It's so beautiful. So this one actually has a magnetic clasp, and the magnet of this is actually pretty strong. At first I'm kind of sketchy about it, but I did try it at the store. I did put my phone and my wallet. Alright, so inside it literally has embroidery all over it. The only leather that's in here is the tag. What's inside is a paper tissue and a Christian Dior card, and this is just a cardboard. Here's the compartment right here. There's also a mini pouch right here where you can put your cash or a card. This one has an access right here, which I cannot really put anything right here. I wouldn't be able to fold it. I don't know. I just thought it's so weird. Why can't they just stitch it all the way in and close it? And this string right here is removable, so I can literally take it out and change whatever strap I want. So that is cool. I just love how it is so compact and lightweight it is. And I love how versatile this is. We can wear this multiple ways. I am planning to wear this as a bum bag, a side bag,
Yo, he ain't messing with no average chick. Pop, pop.
Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind?
a belt bag, and honestly, if you take out these straps, you can just wear this as a clutch. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like if you like it, and also subscribe if you haven't. Overall, I already know I will be using the heck out of this, but let me know what you guys think. Is this a yay or a nay? Anyways, before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys! I can't wait to wear this. Bye.
Listen, they saying I'm back. I agree with that.